Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Amazon Seller Central data with reports and downloads, complete guide step by step clearly. Log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Navigate to the reports section in the main dashboard. Select the type of report you need from the drop-down menu. Choose between the various reports, such as sales, inventory, or performance reports. Specify the date range for the data you wish to download. Click on the Generate Report button to initiate the process. Wait for the report generation to complete. Once the report is ready, it will appear in the report list. Locate your generated report in the list. Download the report by clicking on the associated download link. Save the file to a designated folder on your computer. Repeat this process for any additional reports you require. Now, let's back up your account settings. Navigate to the Settings tab in the top right corner. Select the relevant settings, such as payment or business information. Manually copy the essential details into a secure document. Ensure that you include crucial information like bank account and tax settings. Consider using a data backup tool for automated backups. Lastly, think about scheduling regular backups to ensure data safety. Take note of the frequency that works best for you. Remember to regularly review your backup procedures for any necessary adjustments. By following these steps, you'll ensure your Amazon Seller Central data is secure and easily. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.